This is one way to really punch up the flavor of fish. This technique takes a little bit longer, but to me, it's like you're gonna get a better result. Lemongrass. You can just put this in your bathtub, take a nice, soothing, relaxing bath out of it. You can turn it into candles, I guess. But there's a lot of application for this. How familiar are you with lemongrass?
I usually buy it in a tube.
Okay, that's a wrong answer. Thank you for coming out here. We're gonna cook together. Nikia has been a part of our restaurant family for a number of years now. You were actually the first graduate of the Lee Initiative mentorship program. And it's been just amazing to see you grow and blossom, and you run your own culinary program now. So I'm very proud to see where you are today.
Thank you.
And also to see where you're gonna go from here too. Today I'm gonna challenge you a bit.
Okay.
And we're gonna do some steamed fish. Have you ever steamed fish before?
No.
Really? All right, good, good. I'm using snapper here today for this fish, but really any white, flaky fish will work fine. You want something that's gonna be delicate, cook quickly, and will sort of, almost fall apart. So cod works great, halibut works great, snappers.